Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel here. I just wanted to do a little video to show what we've been working on the past couple days, a week or so, is these firewall kits. So anybody who sees the Instagram account knows that I've been making these, selling these. So just wanted to do a video for the folks on YouTube who might not have Instagram who may be interested in some of these. So what it is it's a firewall two-piece template. I have the templates from 59 to 1968. I'm not sure about 69 and 70. I've never worked on a 69 or 70. The firewalls may be the same, but I don't want to be quoted on that. So these firewall plates are 18 gauge, brand new sheet metal, and they're cut by hand, and they're going to get you about 95% where you need to be. They may need some minor trimming and modification, but not much. I mean, of course, I can't get it perfect without having the car here, but they're going to give you about 95% of where you need to be. So like I say, the 59 and the 60 firewalls, which is one right there, 59, 60, they're the same, obviously. 61, 62 are the same. 63, 64 are the same. And 65 through 68 are the same. Now, all these templates that I've used, that I'm cutting with, I've used them on personal vehicles, so I know they fit. Like I say, with a little bit of modification, maybe not much. We can cut them. So they're cut to fit the American Auto Wire Classic Update, which fits in a square hole. It's a little bigger than the stock bulkhead connector on a stock firewall. So it's for folks who want to use updated wiring. We also have the template for Vintage Air. If you wanted us to cut the holes on Vintage Air, but you would just kind of have to specify where you want the hole. Or I can also make a cardboard template out of this and send it to you. So the alternative, we also can do them without wiper motor. This is a 64. If you want to delete the wiper motor altogether, we won't cut those holes, or we can cut them. If you want to delete the bulkhead completely and run them up under the fender, we can also cut a plate here like this, like I have here, which I'm doing on the 60. Basically, this is the driver's side fresh air vent down by the kick panel, and we modified, obviously we cut this to fit the American Auto Wire fuse block in here. And so you'll have your fuses and your bulkhead connector in the kick panel area, so no wires on the firewall. So if you wanted to delete the bulkhead and the wiper, all you would have on your firewall is a steering column coming out and the brake booster master cylinder. So like I say, we offer them from 59 to 68, and I'm selling them on Instagram also. Anybody on YouTube wants them, just leave a comment and we can cut them. I'm trying to restock here because I sold everything I had, and like I say, they're from 59 to 68. The 63s and 64s are two-piece. The 61 and 62 are three-piece. The 68 is two-piece. 65 through 68 is two-piece. The 59 to 60 is two-piece. So the 65 through 68 are a little bit more than the other ones because they're so big. As you can see over here, this is the 65 through 68. Takes up a big chunk. Actually, takes up this whole area. So shipping is a little bit more expensive too. Not much. We're talking, $10 or $15. You come around here. I have some that are already cut that we're going to clean up tomorrow. So I clean up all the edges, and so there's no burrs. So that's a 65 through 68. Like I say, two-piece. The 61, 62 below it is a three-piece. So this goes around where the wiper motor would be. We have two 61, 62s. We have another 63, 64. On the 59, 60, if you want to come around here, I'll show my car. This is jalopy. I'm doing mine for an LT motor or LS, kind of similar. If Somebody wanted them for $59.60. This running a small block. We won't put this. So you just have this piece and this piece. That way your distributor and everything. This is wiper delete. You know, I'm shaving the whole thing, but it wouldn't come with this. So it'd be 2-piece. Somebody would have $59 or $60 wanted them. They're averaging around $200 shipping included. Could be a little bit more depending on where you're at. Far West Coast, Far East Coast, shipping has been a little bit more expensive than anticipated. I mean, we're talking like $10 or $15 more. But yeah, they're brand new 18 gauge sheet metal. Like I say, they're hand cut, and we're just trying to help some people out. You know, some who don't want to buy a whole sheet of metal to do the firewall. I mean, some guys are doing their frame offs. They want the shaved firewall look. These plates go directly over your existing firewall. I have plenty of videos of when we've done them. And like I say, these templates, I've personally used these templates on my own cars, so I know they work and they can get you where you want to be. So I appreciate everybody who's ordered one. And if anybody on YouTube is interested, you can leave a comment. You can also check out the Instagram page. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. And I have pictures and stuff on there. So y'all stay tuned for more work, and thanks for watching.